So, what is meta ads? Meta ads are the ads we run on all Meta platforms. So it is Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Threads, maybe some more. But that's the most important is, of course, Facebook and Instagram. And when you run ads, you can choose to run them on all Meta platforms. You can choose to run them on only Instagram, on only Facebook. You can choose a lot when you run your Meta ads. So that's why it's a lot of different styles of running Meta ads and a lot of different ways of running it. Everyone has their own way to run Meta ads. But in 2025, actually, it's very easy to run Meta ads because the platform Meta has become so intelligent with its AI. So it's very easy to run. So let's jump in this. I want to first explain a little bit the setup and how this really works with Meta ads. Then we're going to install Meta on our Shopify store. We will do that together. But first, to run ads on Meta, you need a Facebook profile. That's the first thing you need. I think everyone has that. That's your private profile. After that, you will need to create a business manager. It may seem that this is really hard to do, but when you get a hang of it, it's not so hard. And I will try to explain it so easy I can. You need a Facebook profile. You need to start a Facebook page to run ads on Meta, because you're not running the ads with your private profile, and that's of course good. So no one will know that it's you running the ads. But they will know which Facebook page that runs the ads. Of course, I create a Facebook page for every store I create. So actually I have a lot of Facebook pages. Sometimes I just rename it because I don't want to do another one. But I think that's the best way to do it, because also if the store is good and you can scale it and things like that, it's good to have a Facebook page, of course, because then you can also create a community around the brand and everything. So you need a business manager. And that business manager you will have under your Facebook private profile, and you will be the leader of that business manager. In the future, you can, of course, do a lot of things with the business manager, but this is the easy part. I just gonna explain the easy look over this structure on Meta. You can do a lot in the future. You can like invite team that run the ads, and you can do a lot, give access to different people in your business manager. But you will be the CEO of your business manager. And under your profile, you can have 5 business managers. I think it is 5. I don't know if they have changed that, but it has always been 5 before. Under the business manager, you have an ad account. And why this is linked also is because you link the Facebook page also to your business manager. So under the business manager, you will have the Facebook page and the ad account. But your Facebook profile is also connected to the Facebook page. But like I said, no one knows that this Facebook page is yours if you don't tell that. Under the business manager, you can have 10 ad accounts. And I actually recommend you, when you start your business manager, to start 10 ad accounts directly. So you have 10 ad accounts, because you never know what's happened. If you get an ad account ban or something like that, it's good to have some reserves. Then you have the pixel. The pixel is a thing that collects all the data that you get from running ads. And that data is connected from your store to your ad account or your business manager. So it's collecting all the data to your ad account from your store. And you can create one per store. I know some people that run 1 pixel per niche or something like that. I create 1 per store because I think it's the easiest way to do it. And then you have your Shopify store and the Facebook and Instagram app on Shopify. So when you have your private Facebook profile, you have opened a business manager, and you have placed an ad account below your business manager, and you have created a Facebook page that is connected to the business manager. Then you download the Facebook and Instagram app, and they will create a pixel that is connected between all of these. Then you can run everything from your business manager and your ad account. And you can have, like I said, different ad accounts for different stores and different pixels for every store also. One more thing you can do here, of course, is you can connect an Instagram professional Instagram account here also, that you can connect with your Facebook page and Instagram account. I don't know if some of you are familiar with that, because it's like when you have your Instagram account, you can, click in that it shares also on your Facebook profile. This is the same thing. They are connected, so actually you can run ads on Instagram also with only your Facebook page. The only thing you need is a Facebook page. But you can't really see if you get any comments or things like that on your Instagram ads if you don't have the Instagram account also connected. But this is a setup I have in the start. And then, of course, if the store goes well and we can start scaling, I will put an Instagram account here too in the name of the store. So this is how I run it. You can, of course, also have a Facebook page that has a business name, and you run all your ads on that Facebook page for all your stores. That's possible. I create a new Facebook page for every store because it's the Facebook name that would be below your ad. If someone click it, they would come to your Facebook page. So I create a Facebook page and I put the name of the brand. It would make more sense, I promise you. So this is a setup of Facebook ads, and I also have a video below here where I set up a testing campaign on Facebook. We will set up one more testing campaign in the next video for this product, but I have a bonus video below if you want to watch it. So let's go to our store. You go to apps and you will search Facebook and Instagram. Here it is. You push install. I always pin them. Here you will have to connect your private account, and now my private account is connected. So here, get started. I don't drive so much catalog ads. I like to do my ads by myself. Catalog ads, it's that Facebook take your products from Shopify and they do ads automatically for you. So I don't even need to install that, because then Facebook also have to approve your product. It's not always they do that. So I go with ads only. Get started. So you have your Facebook account. You will connect your business account, and you see I have a lot of business accounts, but I connect one. Then here you choose maximum. We want maximum data from Facebook. Here you can connect a pixel, but like I said, I always create a new pixel for a new store. And then you choose your ad account and you agree to terms and submit for review. Why I always do a new pixel for every store is because I want a fresh pixel with no data, because we want to collect new data for this store. Let's say you have a pixel that you had on a store that you sold hoodies with. That pixel will search up people who buy hoodies. And I am now trying to sell EMS wand. So the people who buys hoodies maybe not want to buy EMS wand. So that's why I want a fresh new pixel. Yes. Now we are good to go. We can go to settings. We see we have maximum. We see we have a new pixel. And everything is good to go. So that's how you set up your Facebook and Instagram meta advertising. So that's how you connect Meta to your store, and now you can run ads on Meta with your business account, your Facebook page, and everything like that. I see you in the next video.